How to draw lines in chess.com on mobile. So if you want to draw lines in chess.com on your mobile, then you can first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'll be here with Chrome browser. And after opening your Chrome browser, now you can simply go for the search, simply tap on that search bar and then search for chess.com. And here let me tell you one thing, that on your mobile you can't draw lines on chess.com or on chess online game. So what you have to do is you have to open up your browser. So what you have to do is you have to open up your laptop or your PC, and then you can go for chess.com, and from there you can draw lines in your chess. So that's it for this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.